Triangle patterns. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And today in this video we are going to talk about another chart pattern which is called as the triangle pattern. Now let me tell you that these patterns are basically breakout patterns. That means they will tell us that when the market is going from being in sideways to uptrend, or when the market will be going from sideways into a downtrend. We can understand this by making use of this pattern. And in this pattern, we are going to use a combination of resistance plus support along with trend lines. That's right, we are going to use these three tools in this chart pattern. And we will be finding various trading opportunities that can help you make good returns in the stock market. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end, do not skip it. And one more thing, if you are new to this channel or not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do it, so that you won't miss any upcoming videos or updates on the stock market and technical analysis. Alright, so let's start by understanding the first type of the triangle pattern, which is the ascending triangle. Now this pattern is formed by making use of resistance along with a trend line. And as you can see on the screen, there is a chart where we will be seeing the ascending triangle pattern. Now when you observe, you will see that this is where the price is taking a resistance. Because at this point, the number of sellers in the market are way greater than the buyers. And next what we can see over here is a trend line where the price is taking support. Now this is where the ascending triangle pattern is formed. You can see that we have made use of a resistance and a trend line. Now every time the price takes a support on this trend line, buyers will gradually increase in this stock, and at a point they will outnumber the sellers. So that is exactly where the price will give a breakout when the buyers actually outnumbers the sellers. And this gives us a really good trading opportunity on this stock. You can see we have a breakout from the resistance along with a gap up. Now this indicates the strong bullishness in the market, and so we are going to buy at the closing of this candle, and our stop loss will be below the resistance. And we can simply trail the stop loss as the stock is going in uptrend. In this way we will be securing our profit and can make good return in the market. Now remember that when it comes to ascending triangle pattern, the breakout should only happen from the resistance and not from the trend line where the price is taking support. If the price gives a breakout from the trend line, it is simply a pattern failure and will not be a really good trading opportunity. Alright, so now let us look at the next triangle pattern, which is the descending triangle. This pattern simply makes use of support along with trend line, and as you see on the screen, there is a chart where the descending triangle pattern is forming. You see, we first have a support where there are huge number of buyers, and after that we have a trend line where the price is taking a resistance. Now since the sellers in the market are less as compared to the buyers, the price is not able to break this support level at first. But you can see every time the price is taking a resistance on this trend line, the number of sellers are increasing in the stock. And at a point, these sellers outnumbers the total buyers in the stock, and so eventually the price gives a breakout. Now whenever the price gives a breakout, we will have to take a short entry at the closing of this confirmation candle. And we will have to place a stop loss above this support level. Now it becomes really necessary to place a stop loss while we are trading on this strategy or maybe any other chart pattern or any other strategy. Stop loss is must because it protects you from big losses in the market. Because we cannot 100% say that the analysis which we are doing will always be true. Sometimes there might be chances where we may go wrong in the market, and if we have a stop loss in place, we will exit with a very small loss. Alright, so that is how important a stop loss is. Now let us look at the next triangle pattern, which is the symmetric triangle. And in this pattern, we are basically making use of two trend lines. Let me show you. Now on this chart at your screen, you can see that there is a trend line where the price is taking a resistance. And again, when you observe carefully, there is another trend line where the price is taking support. Now these trend lines are not going parallel but instead in opposite direction and forming a triangle pattern which is called as the symmetric triangle. Now in case of this pattern, we don't know where the breakout will be. Like in case of ascending triangle pattern, we know that the price will give a breakout from the resistance and we will find a buying opportunity. And similarly, in case of descending triangle pattern, we know the price is most likely going to break the support and we could take a short entry. But when it comes to symmetric triangle pattern, we don't know on what side the price is going to give a breakout. Although there are some techniques and methods by using which you can more likely predict where the price will give a breakout. But those are very advanced level stuffs and I will cover them in some of my next video. Right now, I don't want you to anticipate where the price will go. Just follow the chart. Now in this case, the price gives a breakout out of the resistance. So we will buy at the closing of this breakout candle, and our stop loss will be below the resistance or swing low, whatever will be like more better. and you can easily expect minimum 1:5 return in this trade. And that is why I say that the triangle pattern are very powerful if you know how to use them properly. And just like the price is giving a breakout from the resistance, if the price gives a breakout from this support, we will take a short entry. That's the only difference. Alright, so I hope you understand the concept of triangle patterns and breakouts and trading upon them. Now one more thing I would like to suggest you is that make use of volumes for confirming the breakouts. Yes, you can make use of breakouts along with volumes to get an additional confirmation that whether the breakout is genuine or not. I have explained this in one of my video, which is breakout plus volume trading strategy. The link will be flashing above, or you can check out the description. Alright guys, so lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video with as many traders as you know. Also comment down on what topic you want to see the next video. And lastly, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos or updates on the stock market, technical analysis and trading. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.